is my 19th lecture on integral calculus. I am Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will discuss how to trace a curve in polar form. Suppose car diode is given, that is R is equal to A1 plus cos theta. If we put minus theta for theta, if the equation of the curve, in the equation of the curve, we find that the equation remains unchanged. That is, the equation of the curve does not change, and therefore the given curve is symmetrical about the initial line. The curve, if theta is in place of theta we put minus theta, again then the equation remains the same, then we can say that the curve is symmetrical about the initial line. When r is equal to 0, if we put, then 1 plus cos theta is equal to 0, that is cos theta is equal to minus 1, that is theta is equal to pi. Hence the curve passes through the origin, and the equation of the tangent at the pole is theta is equal to pi, that is the initial line. Here we get theta is equal to pi when r is equal to 0. Hence, the equation of the tangent at the pole is theta is equal to pi, that is the initial line. Now, plot some of the points on the curve. That is, when theta is equal to 0, r is equal to 2a, theta is equal to pi by 3, r is equal to 3 by 2a, theta is equal to pi by 2, r is equal to a, and theta is equal to pi, r is equal to 0. So, from the given equation, again, from the given equation we find r is equal to a1 plus cos theta dr by d theta is equal to minus a sin theta. That is, when the value of theta increases from 0 to pi, then the value of r decreases, and it has been said that decreases from 2a to 0. When r theta is 0, r is 2a, but when theta is pi, r is equal to 0. So, combining this, we can plot a graph as you can see on your screen. Now, curve r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. If we put theta is equal to minus theta, the equation of the curve remains the same. Hence, the curve is symmetrical about the line, about the curve is symmetrical about the initial line. If we put minus r for r, the equation of the curve does not changes, therefore the curve is symmetrical about the pole. Number third, if we put pi minus theta for theta, the equation of the curve remains the same. Hence, the equation of the curve does not changes. That is, the curve is symmetrical about the line theta is equal to pi by 2. When r is equal to 0, then theta becomes pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, and so on. Pi by 4 and so on. Hence, the curve passes through the pole, and the equation of the tangent at the pole is pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Again, I am saying this one. When r is equal to 0, cos 2 theta is equal to 0, and theta is equal to pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. R is equal to 0 means at the pole, and theta is pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Hence, at the center, the tangent is pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. When theta is equal to 0, that is, we get r square is a square equal to x square, that is a square, that is r is equal to plus minus a. That is, the points a0 and minus a0 are situated on the curve. When the value of theta increases from 0 to pi by 4, the value of r square decreases from a square to 0. Again, when the value of theta increases from 3 pi by 4 to pi, the value of r square increases from 0 to a square. But when the value of theta lies between pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4, r square is negative. That is, there is no portion of the curve between pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Hence, the graph can be plotted whichever you can see. Now, see the curve. R is equal to a sine 3 theta. If we put pi minus theta for theta, the equation of the curve, we find that is again r is equal to a sine 3 theta. That is, the equation of the curve does not changes. Therefore, the given curve is symmetrical about the line theta is equal to pi by 2. Again, when r is equal to 0, theta is equal to n pi by 3. N may be 0, 1, 2, 3, anything. So, when r equal to 0, at the pole, the theta is tangent at the pole is 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, and then 4 pi by 3, then 5 pi by 3, and so on. So, hence the curve passes through the pole, and the equation of the tangent at the pole r theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 3, theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, etc., etc. When theta is equal to pi by 6, r is equal to a. Again, when here we have put r is equal to 0 and get the value of theta. Now we are putting the value of theta and getting the value of r. Theta is equal to pi by 6, r is equal to 1. Theta is equal to pi by 2, r is equal to minus a. And theta is equal to pi by 6, r is equal to a. So, we see that when theta increases from 0 to pi by 6, the value of r increases from 0 to a. Again, I am saying when theta increases from 0 to pi by 6, the value of r increases from 0 to a. If theta increases from pi by 6 to pi by 3, the value of r decreases from a to 0. So, combine these two, there is a loop between theta is equal to 0 and theta equal to pi by 3. Again, if theta increases from pi by 3 to pi by 2, the value of r becomes minus a from 0. The value of r becomes minus a from 0. If theta increases from pi by 2 to pi by 3, then the value of r becomes 0 from a minus a. Thus, there is another loop between theta equal to pi by 3 and theta equal to 2 pi by 3. If theta increases from 2 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3, then the value of r becomes a from 0. If the theta increases from 5 pi by 6 to pi, then the value of r becomes 0 to n. Thus, there is a loop between 2 pi by 3 and theta is equal to pi. Now see the another postulate given. Dr by d theta is equal to 3a cos 3 theta. So tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr, where the phi is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent to the curve. And this d theta r is equal to, putting the value of r and dr by d theta, we get 1 by 3 tan 3 theta. So phi, tan phi, phi is equal to 0, we get tan 3 theta is equal to 0, 3 theta is equal to n pi. So theta is 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 and pi. And when phi is equal to pi by 2, then cot 3 theta is equal to 0, that is cos 3 theta is equal to 0. So we get theta is equal to pi by 6, pi by 2 and pi by 6. Here considering this, we can plot a graph on the as shown on your screen. See here, theta at theta is equal to pi by 6. The at the point A, when the radius vector is A, the this is normal to the radius vector. At the point pi by 2 also you can see phi is normal to the radius vector, and at the point 5 pi by 6 at a distance A, we can see that is phi is normal to the radius vector. So considering this, we can draw a graph as you can see. Now we can, so today this much only. Thank you.